Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Toyota Hilux dual cab ute, stock reference number 5718. The shape runs from the 9th month 2015 through to the 5th month 2020. It has a 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel-drive transmission. 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, a set of aftermarket Dhole steel mags, all with good tyres, left power door mirror, left rear door has no damage, aftermarket sports bar and tonneau cover with all bolts and brackets, left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper bar, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom, tailgate has no damage, camera tight, right hand tail light, right front door has no damage, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, driver's side door trim, power window master switch, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.